Yes, good morning students. Welcome to the accountancy video classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about a guaranteed profit to a partner. Let me tell you what is this concept. You know that existed partner can admit a new partner when only if all the existed partners agrees. Assume that there are three partners like A, B, C. Okay. Now, C wanted to introduce his friend called D as a new partner. Existed partner are who? A, B and C. C wanted to introduce the new partner called D. That D is C's friend. Clear? Now, D can be a partner in the partnership firm only when A, B and C, all the existed partner agrees. If among all the partners, if any one partner says no, then new partner cannot become an admit. Clear? This is an admission for partner. Now, what is this guaranteed profit? Profit means we know that in a partnership firm, the profit will be shared as per the capital introduced or whatever it is in the partnership deed condition. If no condition is mentioned, in the sense if the partnership is not registered, then all the partners should be shared the profit or loss equally. That we already know that. Guaranteed profit means if amongst existed partner, okay, one other partner will come and join as a new partner. Are you clear? For example, again let me continue with the example, the same example. A, B, C are the partners. Okay, now D has joined the partnership firm. Before joining as a partner, A, B, C promises to D that every year he will get a minimum of 50,000 profit. That is sure, pakka, 100%. If the partnership firm earns a 40,000 profit, like the share of a profit comes to 40,000, but D should get a 50,000 because A, B and C said that if a D joins as a new partner, then D will get a minimum of 50,000 rupees as a profit. That is sure. D should not get a less than that. If share of a profit is coming lesser than that, existed partner should give the remaining profit. Are you able to understand? Okay, now in a simple words I will tell again. A, B, C are the partners. Okay, now C admitted as a new partner. Just taking up with the other example. C admitted as a new partner. Okay, now A and B existed partner are sharing the ratio 2:1. Assume that they both are sharing in the ratio of what? 2:1. Now, new partner came and they said that he will be getting 1/4 ratio. They clearly said. Assume that profit we got a 1 lakh rupees. Profit we got what? 1 lakh rupees. For A is getting 2/4. For B is getting 1/4 and for C is getting 1/4. Just that I will explain with the problem. I think you are clear with the guaranteed profit. Guaranteed profit means there will be a minimum profit which is guaranteed to the new partner. New partner will not get a less than that profit. Now, let me explain with the example that will be easy for you people. Here, if you see, there are two partners called who? Mohit and Roshan. There are two partners, Mohit and Roshan. They both are shares of profit and the losses in the ratio of what? 2:1. They both are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of what? 2:1. Till now are you clear? 2:1. Now further, Mohit and Roshan admitted Rahul as a new partner with the 1/4 ratio or 1/4 ratio. Existed partner who? Mohit and Roshan. Mohit and Roshan are sharing the profit and the losses in the ratio of what? 2:1. They both decided to admit Rahul as a new partner. They admitted. For Rahul, how much share they are giving? 1 by 4th. In the sense 25% of the share they are giving to the Rahul. Further they are telling guaranteed profit is rupees 50,000. They said that, in the sense Mohit and Roshan said that to Rahul, you become a partner in my firm, in our firm, we will give you 50,000 as a profit for sure. Even though his share is less than 50,000, he will be getting a 50,000 rupees as a profit. They guaranteed him. Further they are telling net profit as on 31/3/2015 is 1,60,000. That partnership firm earned a net profit. After admitting to the Rahul, the firm earned a profit of 1,60,000. Now we have to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. Clear with the information which they have given in a problem? What they are telling, Mohit and Roshan are existed partners. They both are sharing in the ratio of what? 2:1. They admitted to a Rahul with the share of 1 by 4 by saying that Rahul will be getting a minimum of 50,000 rupees profit. Okay, after he got admitted on that particular financial year, profit is 1,60,000 to a firm. That's what they have given. Okay, now first we have to see that among 1,60,000, how much Mohit is getting, how much Roshan is getting, and how much Rahul is getting. Because we have to divide all these three. Profit is 1,60,000. These three partners should get that profit. Now, if you see here, new profit sharing ratio becomes what? 2:1:1. Earlier, before admitting to before admitting Rahul, what was the profit sharing ratio? 2:1. But now, after admitting, what will be the new profit sharing ratio? 2:1:1. 2:1 was a older one, and one more share will be given to the Rahul. 2:1:1. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Now, if you look at profit for Mohit, how much you will get? What is the total profit? 1,60,000 into 2 by 4. How we got this 2 by 4? 2 out of 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1, total 4. Out of 4 part, Mohit is getting 2 part. So 1,60,000 into 2 by 4 is 80,000 for a Mohit. Clear? So out of 1,60,000, 80,000 is given to Mohit. Now next for a Roshan. Net profit 1,60,000 into, out of 4, 1 part will be given to the Roshan. 2 part will be given to Mohit, 1 part will be given to the Roshan, and 1 part will be given to the Rahul. So 1,60,000 into 1 by 4, it is what? 40,000 to the Roshan. Now Rahul, 1,60,000 into 1 by 4. So 1,60,000 into 1 by 4 is 40,000. So out of 1,60,000, 80,000 Mohit is getting, 40,000 Roshan is getting, 40,000 Rahul is getting. So 80 plus 40 plus 40, so 1,60,000. If you see here, how much is Rahul getting now? 40,000, just 40,000. But what they said earlier, he has to get a minimum of 50,000. Minimum 50,000 he should get. But how much he is getting now? 40,000. Now remaining 10,000. Clear? He is getting the profit lesser than the guaranteed profit. What was the guaranteed profit? 50,000. But how much is getting? 40,000. He has to get still 10,000 extra. That 10,000 Mohit and Roshan should share. That 10,000 who has to share? Mohit and Roshan should share on a basis of old ratio. What was the old ratio? 2:1. Are you understanding? So 80,000 Mohit is getting, 40,000 Roshan is getting, and 40,000 Rahul is getting. But they said that Rahul will get a minimum of 50,000 profit, but he is getting just a 40,000. Still he should get what? 10,000. That 10,000, how much he has to get? That should be shared between Mohit and Roshan with the old share. What was the old ratio? 2:1. If you look at here, deficiency, in the sense how much still the Rahul has to get. Guaranteed profit minus profit earned. 50,000 minus 40,000, this 10,000. This should be shared between the Mohit and Roshan. So that is deficiency borne by Mohit and Roshan. So how much Mohit should pay to the Rahul now? 10,000 into 2/3. So 6,667 Mohit should give. How much Roshan should give? 10,000 into 1/3, 3,333. That should be given by the Roshan. To whom they have to give? To the Rahul. If you see, 6,667 plus 3,333. So total 10,000 Rahul will get now. Are you clear? Now, while preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, we know that profit and loss appropriation is a nominal in nature. Nominal means what? Credit all the income and gains and debit all the expenses and the losses. If you look at here, we are prepared a profit and loss appropriation account. Now, see, credit all the income, net profit. So, profit and loss account, net profit is what? 1,60,000. Now, be very clear here. First is what? Mohit's capital. While preparing a Mohit capital, first we have to take a share of a profit. How much was the actual share of a profit to the Mohit? Well calculated, we got Mohit is getting 80,000 profit. That 80,000 profit minus share of a deficiency, because he has to give 6,667 to the Rahul. So 80,000 minus 667 will become 73,333. 80,000 minus 6,667 will become what? 73,333. That will be Mohit capital. Now next, Roshan's capital. How much should Roshan get? 40,000. But he is paying to the Rahul also deficiency. Share of a profit is 40,000 minus share of a deficiency 3,333. That will become what? 36,667. Mohit capital, Roshan's capital. Now Rahul's capital. So Rahul's capital, share of a profit is what? 40,000 plus, because Mohit is giving a 6,667 and Roshan is giving a 3,333. So share of a profit 40,000 plus deficiency here minus, because here also minus, because these two are paying it to the Rahul. So it is add. So share of a profit, add deficiency, Mohit 6,667 and Roshan 3,333. So it will become what? 50,000. If you add this, 73,333 plus 36,667 plus 50,000 will become our 1,60,000. Clear? So guaranteed profit, that is a preparation of a profit and loss appropriation account, will come if guaranteed profit is more than that of the profit earned. Here guaranteed profit is 50,000. Profit earned is what? 40,000 by the Rahul. So then we have to prepare. Sometimes what will happen? Profit earned will be more than that of the guaranteed profit. Take an example. After calculating, Rahul will be getting a 55,000 profit. Now the question comes, should Rahul get a 55,000 or 50,000? Here profit earned is 55,000. Guaranteed profit is 50,000. How much we have to give it to him? We have to give a 55,000 only. When guaranteed profit is lesser than that of the profit earned, give the profit earned. When the guaranteed profit is more than that of the profit earned, give the guaranteed profit. Clear? If he is getting less, give the guaranteed profit. If he is getting a more, give the how much profit which he earned. So that is what? Guaranteed profit. Clear? So in the further classes, we will be discussing about the past adjustments. Thank you, students.